day, welcome to Multinet Design. In the continuation of our Excel design that we are working on. So in the last episode, we were able to create this front side, this particular archway. Now in this particular episode, we're going to modify this elevation and add some things to this beautification of. Now let's go and show the beginning. So this is the ground floor plan that we did. So if you have not watched the previous one, we encourage you to start go to our YouTube on the channel. So you start from the project step by step and get it done. So this is the second floor plan. So this is what we created at the next floor plan. So everything is itemized. So this is the area where we create the balcony and things like that. So we're going to work on this, how we accomplish this one, then annotate them for a beautification of ideas of what we are creating. So now let us develop the O-oriented factor. So what do I mean by that is that I need to create railings around this place. So it's a normal railing that you create. So if you want to accomplish that, just click on railing, then the parts in which you want to work on. So you set it up from here. And then it lands towards here and build it here. So you're not finished like that. So shift this one inside. So you have the same at least little bit space to work with. So when you click finish, it's there. So when you look at it from the 3D, so you have your railing in place. So if it's okay, fine. If it's not, you can decide to edit it again. So let me do quick editing concerning this. This part. So I'm going to level 1, level 2, so that we adjust it and shift it a little bit back. Good. So that we rest upon that. Click finish now. And go back to it and see what we've created. So use it. Now what I need to do is to work on the ground floor archway. So go back there. I'm going to select this. So what I do, duplicate, create similar. So instead of me having it here, I'm going to select, let's say 600. Sorry, then this one is 2400. So it's not going to touch. So when I look at it from the 3D perspective, I will see here. So let me look at it from here. So this is what I've created. So I have this in place now, which is okay. So what I need to do, I need to have lighting at the surface of this decking. So I'm going to do here, go back here. I'll just click on ceiling. So I want to create ceiling this time around, plain, which is okay. If I want to check material, if the material is what you like, so you proceed by doing that. So select the material and check whether the material is actually. So study this, I don't like that. So you can change the color, depends on your choice. So say physical, this appearance, you change the appearance as it may be. You can change this ABC, ABS white. So let me just use that. Say apply. So click on this and say okay, and click OK. So what do? You sketch, you not use automatic embedded. So just sketch it and then fix it like that. So what you do now, you let it follow through. So you can put, if you want to put the light at the back or put anything, so you can follow the normal line position. So I'm going to do this one, follow this line, then click finish. So go to start elevation. So this is what you created in level 2, which is not in level 2 supposed to be. So it's supposed to be in level 1. So you can just click on this and say level 1. So come there. So now you align this one. So fix. So now if you bring your lights to this place and it work perfectly. So we will test one now so that we know that it's accomplished. Because if you put light when there is no ceiling, it will never stick. So that's why you need to work that way. So I will go to level. Let me just go to ceiling level 1. For this ceiling level 1, I'll go to architecture. I think I have some of my components in place here. Let me see whether I have lighting, ceiling lights here. Either I have no. So let me check from my family whether I have it. So desktop, and the desktop I think I have library. Maybe there's a matrix. I think yes. So here I will go there and select, say, let's lights, electrical fixture. So not this. So where lighting fixture, I have this. So I'm going to use ceiling. Let me just use ceiling. I'll check exterior. Just use ceiling to pick up what you need to pick. So this upgrading, you see the time I've been using the Revit since 2029. So I've gotten all those library done. So I'm just using it now to create tutorial on for everyone. So you can now look at it from here. So this mission accomplished. This is what we've created that been attached to it. So if you put it in any way, this one will not say unless you see the family that belong to ceiling. So that is how it's being created. That is how it's being adjusted. Now go to elevation properly, start elevation. So what I need to do now is to come and build something around this place. So what will I do? I want to use 3D mesh to create that factor. So I will go back, come here, and just adjust this one a bit. So I will zoom. I will say one of these, click here, edit in place. So what do I just select sweep? So when I sweep now, pick, I'm going to select pick, then pick here and pick here. I will trim so that I will have good. So cancel here, indeed. Now we'll go to level 1 where I'm going to create the profile. So at the profile level, this is what I want to work on. So just like normal rectangular, choose that one. I already have. So you just say finish and I finish. Check it on 3D and it's done. So you have this accomplished. You can extend it down if you want to. So you change the color and put any color that of your choice. So that is how you make elevation look more interesting and busy. So we work on this open space now by using a different plugin entirely. So I will select level, go to this front elevation. So I'm going to adjust this one, bring it down. Yeah. So I have done this one now. I will bring this one to you. So let me go to level 3. I think yes, level 3 will be. So I will adjust this one based on what I have in mind. So as I have this one now, stop from here. Yes, so that is it. So I will lower this. When I check this one, it's 500. So I'm going to take this one to 500 as well. Good. So here I will click this one, 1002, and I will now draw it to save the day for it. So it's going to go back. And remember, I will still work on this one because I still have something to express. So like this one, 2, and this one now, I will pick the same thing. This is 500, and I will draw from here and bring it to the front. So when you look at it in 3D, you have some similar factors, which is what I needed. So you see it now, it's not complete here, it's no. So now I want to work on this by creating the full area. So but before then, let me cover the places that are empty. So edit this one in place, then go to level 3. So at the level 3, these are the place I have my concrete, so I want to extend it. So click here, extend it to the outer part. So you're not finished. So as you done that, you just need the more line. And the line now, you let it be extended of the roof. So let it be like that. Okay. So break this. finish it up. Break this and finish it up. Click finish. It's there. So when you look at it here now, it covers. So every details are here now. So what I need to do now is to create a transparent railing around this place. So I will just go to create component, model in place, then just use casement to do that, and you name it whatever you want to name it, but I'm not going to do any name like that. So I just select create, then it's extrusion alone. So I will just pick from here. Or just use normal line. So pick line from the center and the center. You do the same thing here too. Pick line. So what do? Just like offset here, just offset to 10 thickness. You do the same thing here and here. So now you need to close the line. So and close. Zoom and close. Do the same thing here too. Zoom and close. Then the last which is zoom and close. So when you click finish, if there is any issue, tell you continue. The problem is here, so you fix it. So you click here and finish. So close. It's done. So go to elevation south, then adjust this from here, pull it up a bit. So that is what to do. So you now change this color category. So just duplicate. So you have the graphics setting already. So come here and change it to appearance library. Come to glass, select glass. So change to single blue pane. You can use that. So from here you can adjust the color and translucency or whatever that you feel like okay, it's okay for you. Just change this blue. Just refresh this one, and then let's say we are okay with it. So when you go to your 3D, you see the transparency is there. So when you select say realistic, the detail will come out. Big. What is the issue with you? Finish it. So do not. Okay, that is this. So now we have some issue here that we need to work on. So we can just go back there and go to the west side. Should we do west? Okay, let's say west side. A lot of dragging, so soon to fit. Okay. Sorry. So just say edit in place. You can adjust this or go to 3D, then you adjust this one. There is stadium. Okay. So finish. Come to west again. So here you select this, you push this one inside to the edge. Good. So when you look at it entirely in 3D, you have no BT or FFT done. So the mission is right, and you are building what is sustainable for your own development. So this is what we have done here. So the only thing we need to do now is to adjust some of these activities. So we are going to do that in the next episode. Here we are able to adjust some of the things that was needed and necessary. So see you when we are doing the next program. By that time we'll be able to bring all these activities into normal space. So before I go, let me quickly do the last reading part, which is level 2. So I'm going to do that and say create, and then I'm going to draw this and finish. When you look at it around now, So you have it. So as you used to say, elevation is the beauty of any design. So you need to take a time to adjust and achieve whatever that's going to be making everything look aesthetic. You have gotten the function of the space, so we need to make it look real and realistic. So thanks for watching. See you in the next project. See you in the next episode. God bless.